Today, we're looking into the story of Paris Bennett, one of the most disturbing juvenile killers in modern American crime history. His case shocked the nation because of both his age and the chilling details surrounding the murder of his younger sister. Years later, many people are still asking, where is Paris Bennett now? Let's find out. The case dates back to 2007. In Abilene, Texas, when 13-year-old Paris Bennett murdered his 4-year-old sister, Ella Bennett, while their mother was at work. Investigators later revealed that the attack was extremely violent. Paris admitted to killing his sister as a way to emotionally destroy and punish his mother. The case quickly drew national attention because of the calculated nature of the crime and Paris's disturbing behavior during interviews and court proceedings. Psychologists who examined him described him as showing traits associated with psychopathy, while reports also highlighted his exceptionally high IQ. Because he was only 13 years old at the time of the crime, Paris Bennett was tried in the juvenile justice system rather than adult court. He was ultimately convicted of murder and sentenced to 40 years in prison, the maximum sentence allowed under Texas law for a juvenile offender at that time. Over the years, his case remained in the spotlight through documentaries, television interviews, and true crime discussions. One of the most talked about moments came when he gave a chilling prison interview discussing the murder and his motivations behind it. The case also continued drawing attention because of the complicated relationship between Paris and his mother, Charity Lee, who initially maintained contact with him after the murder before later distancing herself. So, where is Paris Bennett now? As of now, Paris Bennett is currently incarcerated at the Ferguson unit of the Texas Department of Criminal Justice, serving a 40-year sentence for the 2007 murder of his 4-year-old sister. He will first be eligible for parole on the 5th of February 2027. Reports indicate that he is being held in an adult correctional facility in Texas and is expected to become eligible for parole in 2027. If parole is denied repeatedly, he could remain imprisoned until the 2040s. Despite spending nearly 2 decades behind bars, his case continues to fascinate and disturb true crime audiences because of the age at which the crime occurred and the psychological questions surrounding it. From being viewed as a gifted child to becoming one of America's most infamous juvenile killers, Paris Bennett's story remains one of the most chilling criminal cases involving a child offender. Thanks for watching. If you want more stories like this and updates on where people are now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know who you want next.